what happens most often, the thing about this battle posture for the rifle that people get wrong, is we move our head. I'm at bolt lock. Now, I am going to keep the gun exactly where it is, and I'm going to do a reload. 1, 2, 3, and I'm back in the fight. Look at the number 4. See the little triangle made by the number 4? I want you to shoot that little triangle on my command using holdover. 4. Make sure we're not finding the number with our barrel, right? So none of this shit, right? That's just, oh, that's an innocent guy, or that's a cop. Oh, there he is, bang. No, we find the target with our eyeballs, and then we shoot.
But you want me to square up, but I'm still dominating with that.
Yeah, so let me,
Okay, so still up.
There you go.
Okay.